Hi friends, garlic, orange and olive oil are what you may need for varicose veins. A study conducted shows that a mix of these items has significant results in varicose veins. This has been a proven remedy. First of all, what is varicose veins? It is a common condition. At least 1 in 5 adults have varicose veins. They are simply enlarged, twisted, bluish purple veins. Veins are like one-way valves that push the blood towards heart. In some people, these valves become weak and the blood collects in the veins. This usually happens in legs, as veins in the legs have to work against the gravity. Now we know a little about varicose veins. Let's see a proven herbal remedy and how to make it. For this you need garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound recognized for its potential to improve blood circulation. When applied topically, garlic can gently stimulate the affected area, reduce inflammation and promote vascular health. Olive oil. Olive oil, when infused with garlic, it absorbs the potent compounds responsible for promoting better blood flow. Massaging with olive oil can also increase circulation. Orange peel powder. Orange peels contain diosmin and hesperidin, known to reduce pain, swelling and improve vein health. Let's see how to make this. Take around 8 to 10 garlic cloves. Crush them in a mortar and pestle. No need to make it a paste. Just crushing lightly like this is enough. This releases active compounds. In a small saucepan, take 1 cup of olive oil. To this, add the crushed garlic. Place the saucepan on a stove on a low flame. Keep stirring the contents so they are heated lightly and evenly. Let it simmer and soon you will see small tiny bubbles popping up. Continue stirring on simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, switch off the stove. When you switch off the stove, make sure that the garlic is still white. This ensures that the properties of garlic are hot infused into the oil without much damage. Avoid heating too long. Take it off from the stove. Now, while the mixture is still hot, add 3 tablespoons of orange peel powder. Stir it well so that you don't see any clumps. This will infuse the oil with additional beneficial properties and fragrance. Now allow the mixture to cool down and let it sit like that for 2 hours or more. During this time, the oil gets cold and all the healing properties of garlic and orange peel seep into this oil, making it more potent. I have let it to cool down like that for 24 hours. Now strain it through a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth into a clean container. This will filter out the garlic pieces and any residual orange peel powder, leaving you with a clear oil. Store it into any glass bottle so that you can use it whenever you need. This oil remains good for up to 6 months when stored at room temperature. Gently massage the clear garlic and orange infused olive oil onto the areas affected by varicose veins. Use a circular upward motion. Leave the oil on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and pat the area dry. If it is okay, you can also leave the oil without rinsing until you take next shower. You can repeat this application daily or a few times a week depending upon your skin's sensitivity. Be cautious as garlic may cause skin irritation in some individuals. Along with this remedy, wear compression stockings whenever possible. Plan for brisk walking 30 minutes every day. Try to keep legs upside to improve circulation. Use cold compress if there is a pain. Consume oranges and orange juice regularly. Taking diosmin supplement is found to be beneficial. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.